Alright, right now we are inside the exhibition of Mahatma Gandhi, and over here behind me we have the timeline of Mahatma Gandhi. Now the timeline of Mahatma Gandhi shows us when he was born and also when he was married at the age of 14, and also being the first South Indian to be rebellious in South Africa. So arriving in South Africa in 1893. So as you can see, we have what we can see over here as the timeline. This tells us that Mahatma Gandhi first became rebellious when he was kicked off the moving train in Pietermaritzburg. So this is after he refused to move from first class to the other cars. First class was marked whites only. However, he did buy a first class ticket, but he refused to move from the first class. So he was rebellious, but he was kicked off the moving train. The Indians witnessed him as the first Indian to become rebellious in South Africa and begged him to spend more time fighting for Indian rights. And this then led Mahatma Gandhi into the prison number 4, being in prison here for 4 times. Now also, the timeline will show us when he was first in prison in South Africa. So also going around, we do have the timeline that shows us when he practiced to becoming a lawyer in South Africa, and also if you do have a look over here, we do have his workstation. Now the workstation over here, these were actually replicas that were replicated from his office in Marshalltown in Johannesburg Central Business District. So he had offices, and also being a lawyer in South Africa, he was actually practicing law in South Africa, having offices and a law firm inside South Africa.